Hey, my name's Maurice. This is my channel. Tomorrow is lit to travel. And if you like to travel, then you'll love my channel, where we make every day better than the last. And all we do is think about the future and plan for the future. So today, we're going to travel across the water and we're going to go to Africa. And we're going to go to the great place of Nairobi, Kenya, the capital of Kenya. And this place is also named Green City in the Sun because it's known for all of its lush green land and it's always bright in the sun, best climate. And this place has vast and beautiful wildlife where you can see lions, you can see zebras, you can see giraffes, you can see all type of different things. So if that sounds cool to you and you want to bring a trip with you and your significant other or your kids to enjoy this trip, then you gonna like this one. And sit back, relax, and let me show you how we're gonna travel there for free. But we're gonna use miles and points. I'm gonna show you the right credit cards to get. I'm gonna show you which airlines that you could travel on and get the cheapest redemption from. And I'm gonna find a nice hotel that you can stay in, all off of points. And we're gonna do that real fast. And we're gonna try to find the cheapest and the nicest. So if you like that, let's go. So we're gonna start with a place to. I'm gonna find you a place to stay. Hey, today we're gonna start with a place to stay. We're gonna work with my favorite hotel, World of Hyatt, and we're gonna start with the search. Always type in where you're going, Nariba, Kenya, and we're gonna go after summer. And we're gonna go on Tuesday 24th, Friday 27th. We're gonna book with points, search, see the research results. Oh, sometimes you see this. Sometimes it brings up multiple results, but not everything is available at the moment. When it says coming, that means that these hotels are in the works of getting and being under this umbrella where we can book these hotels too. So this is just planning for the future. Probably by then, these will be opened up to you when the date comes closer this September. But until then, we're gonna look at this Hyatt Regency in the Rita North Westlands, and it's only going for 8,000 points a night. Beautiful. Hyatt Regency, Narita, Westland. They have king size two, king size with the club access. It goes up to 12,000 points. Let's see about suites. They have suites. Deluxe suite. Ooh. Executive suite. Ooh. And if you have globalist status, um, then you can get a free upgrade with Hyatt. So you can transfer to this and you can book this stay. Next, let's find a flight. I like to start with American Airlines. So we're gonna go from JFK. MBO is Narita, Kenya, and always book redeem with miles. And me, if y'all know me by now, I love to book one ways just in case something happens, just in case something comes up, just in case I want to stay a little bit longer. Anyway, them just in cases. So we don't gotta worry when you just book a one way. It covered for that just in case. So we're gonna be going on like a September the 24th. 2024. Let's book a search. Let's see what we find. Oh, wow. Nice. See? It's looking like we're seeing stays for 40,000. I like the cheapest stay is 40,000. And if you want to go for premium economy, you could get that for 65,000. And it's only one way, 40,000 points, $275. That's a lot. Let's see if we can get that down. Oh, this one has a good deal too. 40,000 and it's only $43.40. Sometimes you just have to look through and you'll see the same point redemptions, but you'll see a different charge on the hair. And it all goes by British Airways is the one that's operating this flight. So I guess this British Airways is a little bit more, and British Airways is only operating this flight. So I guess you don't have to pay it twice because it's this flight isn't British Airways and this one is British Airways. So you're not paying that surcharge for both flights because there's a stop on each of these flights. So that's a plus. But if you think this is a good deal, let me get you an even better deal. Me, when I like going abroad, I like to use Air France. Air France is very interchangeable, and Air France is transferable to all of the top credit card providers like American Express, Members Reward, um, Chase Ultimate Rewards, City Thank You Points, Capital Ventures. So you have a lot of choices. A lot of choices. And it's so good when it's those choices, you can put a pull. So you can pull from here, pull from there, pull from there, pull from here. And it all accumulates in one place so you can get everything you need. So now we're gonna start book with miles. Always put that there. One way. You're coming from New York. I put New York because there's different airports over here. So we could find which one of the airport is the best one. And we're gonna go to Nairobi, Kenya. And our flight is gonna be on September 26th. Economy, one adult. Let's see what flights come up. Wow, we beat it. 35,000 points. Air France, one connection flight in Paris. You can take this one. And the whole trip duration is 20 hours, 10 minutes. Wow. But you could pick through and see which one works out for you the most with the timing. Or you could, if those times don't work out for you, you can look through and see what times that pick your schedule. And if you enjoyed what you like to see, and if you and if I helped you find a good way to fly from America all the way to Africa, and if you liked it and you're gonna take this trip one day, man, hit a thumbs up and hit a like and drop a comment down below and let me know. And I also have a free VIP school group you could join and we could go more in depth in this and learn so much more hacks and so much plans, itineraries, how we could put this together even better. And until next time, points and miles. Tomorrow was lit to travel. We out.